Here's what you need to know about how to start an LLC in Alabama. Now that you're on your way to making your business official, there are a few items that should be on your checklist when it comes to forming an LLC in your state. First, you'll want to choose a name for your business. This may seem obvious, but there's more to it than just that. We recommend that you search the Secretary of State's website to ensure that your business name isn't already in use for an existing business within the state. If you aren't ready to register your LLC but are concerned your business name might be taken by someone else in the meantime, you can reserve it. This typically involves paying a fee and submitting paperwork to the state authority. Second, you'll choose a registered agent, otherwise known as an RA. Your RA is the person or entity that receives official legal documents and notices on behalf of your business. When choosing an RA, be sure to choose one available during regular business hours that also has an address within the state. Third, you'll need to file some information about your LLC. This information can go by a few different names, but it's commonly referred to as your Articles of Organization or Certificate of Formation, and it's typically filed with the Secretary of State. This filing includes business basics like your LLC's name and address, and once your filing is approved, your LLC is registered as an official business. The next item on your checklist should be to prepare an operating agreement. This is a document that outlines the way you'll run your LLC, and it can be very helpful if disputes or litigation arise. Once that's drafted, it's time to get your Employer Identification Number, or EIN for short. Your EIN is sort of like your Social Security number for your business, and it's necessary for banking, taxes, and even hiring employees. You should also note that this is sometimes referred to as your federal tax ID number. Finally, you should apply for any specific permits or licenses that your business may need, like a zoning permit or a liquor license. Of course, there could be more to forming an LLC than just these few steps. That's where LegalZoom comes in. Once you're ready to start your business, we'll be there to help.